When it comes to intraday option strategies, what do maximum people expect? They expect the strategy to be a selling strategy. I'm going to break a lot of myth with this particular strategy. But most importantly, I'm going to run this strategy in the most difficult time. So if you like to trade daily, and you've been looking for an intraday strategy online but you're not getting it, we will cover a lot of ground today in the shortest amount of time possible. First and obvious question is how to make zebra. So let's just make it immediately and then the real deal starts. So here we are on an option simulator right now, as you can see. When we trade into the options, many people just assume that we're gonna trade in weekly options. Of course not. We're gonna trade in monthly options. So here I've loaded the monthly option chain in front of you. First step is we look forward to sell and add the money call. As the video progresses, I'm going to do a lot of changes to this. So here what do we see that this is around at the money 25,750. So we sell this one lot. After that, what do we do is that we take out a 50% value of 172, which is quite easy. We simply divide by 2. It happens to be 86. Now we look forward to long 2 calls, which is approximately trading around 50% value. So obviously we don't have 86, but we have 87. So we look forward to long this 2. And that's how we create the zebra. That is the official name of the strategy. And when we do something like this, this is how it looks. Now, for many of you, in fact, all of you must be thinking that we are talking about an intraday strategy, which we can look forward to do on a daily basis. But this strategy does not give you the kind of theta decay. Let me tell you one thing. We are playing a different game here. Do you want to see more? Have a look at the margin requirements. Now you must be thinking to yourself, normally selling an options take roughly 2 lakh rupees as a margin. Here, how come the margin is so low? Because we are not doing naked option selling. Naked option selling on an intraday, one big candle can completely wipe out a huge chunk of profit, which you collect, in little tranches. That does not make much of a sense when it comes to trading, be it intraday or positional. So here, as you must have realized, that we are taking a very little risk over here. Now, obviously, in my previous video, I've mentioned that payoff is not a real true representation of how strategy actually come into effect in the market. Now, let me load the daily chart of Nifty. Now, what normally market do is either market trends, market become super bullish intraday, or market become super bearish intraday, or market goes sideways. Do you want to see what happens to this in all these situations which I told you? Let me show you so it's gonna make total sense for you. Here we are on Nifty daily chart. As we progress towards the video, it's gonna become more and more interesting. You come on this channel, I know, because you expect something real top class. Now here what you see is the January series starts. Most interestingly, when market really run on one side, as you can see over here in those candles, these are the days when the naked option selling becomes super dangerous. This is where, and we're gonna see how it performed. In fact, we also gonna see how it performed when market really gone down and then really rocket up. It's gonna be very interesting. So without any further ado, let's start the stress test of it, and you're gonna have some real nice insights. If you trade intraday, it will be very interesting how you feel once you know this. Let me load it. Now you obviously would like to see what happened during this day, this massive candle of 182 points in Nifty. Let's figure that out. And after that, I'm going to tell you if market really drops, which obviously no option seller like. And if you sell short, strangle and straddle, it's a surprise day. It takes away a lot of your hard-earned trading time as well as capital. Let's just do that. 2nd of Jan is loading now. So here we are, 2nd of Jan, and like I said, no changes in the ratio, absolutely same calculation. You could see it for yourself. And we are trading intraday. If you are a busy working professional anyways, and you do not have that much capital, or you do not want to look into the markets a lot because you are really busy, at the same time, you are scared that what if market move one way 300 points like it is happening right now, right? Market is really trending, then your short straddle and strangle can give you tremendous pain. Well, you understand it, right? There are better things which one can do in the markets, taking lesser risk, no need to sell options which is strangle and straddle. I know exactly what I'm telling you. Everybody, there are thousands and hundreds video on YouTube you can find. Same amateur stuff, same selling the naked options, same selling the support and resistance. It's 2026 now. Same method, and we expect different results. Same strategies, learning from similar kind of mindset, not upgrading the knowledge and expecting different results. Now here what do we see is in a trending market 1495. But is it going to be all rosy? Of course not. Every trading style, trading strategy contains certain degree of risk. But how big risk are you taking? Versus if things go right, how much is the reward? That is something which I will not even explain to you, because this is evident and it's visible. Let's jump to the next day now and let's see what happens then. It's getting really exciting, like I promised you. So here we are testing it now on 8th of Jan. This is a very, very high trending day. You know why we are testing this particular day? When it comes to daily market movement, tell me what can happen in the market. Market can really shoot up, market can go down, or market can just remain where it is. Now let's see what happens with this. And remember, we're talking about intraday movement. We're not talking about gap downs. When you trade intraday, obviously we look forward to square off the trade before market closes. All right, remember that. And we are trading in monthly options. I hope you're making note of it. I hope you're not looking forward to enter into weekly, because where exactly the edge is and where it is not, that is something is what separates. So now let me go quickly, and obviously we can expect market to go down very fast, and this is exactly what is happening now. Market is really going down very, very fast on this particular day. Imagine if somebody is trading a short straddle on this particular day. You could see market is just going down now, and what do you see? It's 2 p.m. and it is obviously in red, of course, but the kind of damage which we expect when we sell weekly options, well, it's here for everybody to see. And obviously in days like this, of course, I track 5 variables in doing anything similar to what you're looking at. I'm telling you in the video, I'm telling you 2 variables right now. So that is also very important for you to note. Now here, what do you see? It's 5, almost the day closing. And what do we see is that obviously the day never turned out to be in the favor. Not every day is expected to turn out in our favor. Of course, this is a serious business and we should know both the sides of the coin, the positive as well as the negative. And this is what we are looking at, the negative point. How much capital we deployed. Here what you see is the market has really gone down. Now let's test one more day and let's see what if market go down and then market really rally up. Then what exactly we can expect in strategy like this in zebra when we trade intraday. So 12th of Jan now, and how 12th of Jan looks like is obviously this kind of a day. Let's see what happens in this particular strategy. Now, if you do paper trade and you do not trade in real, this video probably is not for you. The reason is that if there are traders who are watching this strategy right now and they've been doing short strangles because nobody told them, nobody taught them as deep as I'm trying my best to whatever I can give you over here, they're getting a different perspective. They know it deep down for sure. And now I'm moving ahead now. You see 10:30, 1 hour into the trade, and obviously market is going up. And just for little adventure sake, I am moving the lot size from 10 is to 20 because I assume that it usually take around 2.5 lakh to do a straddle. And here if I trade with 3.5, then what happens with this? So let's see, so we can really compare. And now we are going ahead so that now market is obviously moving, etc. This is what happening in the market. And usually busy people, they work entire day, and around 3 p.m. they come on the trading terminal and then they see what's happening into that trading terminal. And here, if the market is moving and trending, etc., a straddle, strangle, you got to adjust, you got to like move around, pick up your strikes. And here, suppose if somebody comes and see this over a capital deployment of 3.5, the risk, obviously we've seen the risk example as well, what happened in the past. Now obviously it's for everybody to see and probably can take out. But if markets swing in our favor, then how the story looks right in front of you. But is that all? Is that the end of the strategy? Is that the end of adjustments? The main crux is, when do I deploy this particular strategy? Well, there is a reason. Like I say, I can still show you this and still keep the edge. Those who know, they know what I'm talking about when it comes to strategy like this, right? Also, in terms of adjustments, the days when market comes out in the red zone, how do we maneuver it? Do we jump from monthly to weekly in that situation? Can we do something with theta decay in this? Well, I'm stopping here. That isn't for this video because that will require lengthy explanation. I got to really explain all the moving parts of this, which will take a lot of work from my side as well. Here, I'm sure you must have got some really good ideas, and this is the exact reason why I tell you the hit and trial way of trading one must completely avoid. Hit and trial, experimenting into the markets without the proper structured system. Like I said, is doing naked option selling, thinking theta decay as an edge, thinking adjustments somehow can save a brutal day of red, which I showed you on the chart. Well, obviously, some kind of thinking one must do, especially in the low VIX environment now. What's happening from last 2 months, where the VIX is, it's for everybody to see. How much theta decay they are getting now in the low VIX environment versus what they used to get. They used to enjoy a much bigger range, but now the games have completely flipped. So the old style of trading, this can be a real good heads up. Thanks for watching the video, and I wish you all the very best. Thank you. Signing off. Bye-bye.